We got a new pitcher for Clearwater. We'll tell you about him as Trevor Haskins takes strike. Quen Hui Pan on a rehab assignment from Double-A, 5 innings. Next pitch fouled and off the glove of the catcher. Here's the 1-2. Swing and a miss. Haskins down on strikes. He's 0 for 2 today. That'll bring Luis Pino. First pitch to Pino is off the hands, and it's grounded through the hole for a base hit. Pino with 3 hits in his last 2 games now, as he'll turn the lineup over. First pitch to Mitchell, a changeup away for ball 1, and the scouting and a fastball that tops out at about 94. Breaking ball low, 2 balls, no strikes. Really good company in Philadelphia's farm system. Fastball again taken for a strike. As a changeup misses outside, count goes full. Runner started and stopped, and it's a called strike 3. Mitchell wants to challenge it. It would be the first challenge used by Palm Beach tonight. They got 2. Let's see if Mitchell can be proven right. He is not. He's 0 for 1. So 1 challenge remaining for both clubs. They won 2 out of 3. As Weingartner takes a changeup for a strike. As the next pitch is a breaking ball on the outside corner. Not a big lead by Pino. The pitch down and in the dirt. Ball 1. Clearwater, that's where we stand now. Runner goes, pitch is cut on and missed for strike 3, and the inning comes to a close. 1 out base plus all the bonus stuff. Quen Hui Pan back on the mound for Clearwater. He'll fire a breaking ball inside to Jack Gurevich to get things started. Quen Hui Pan in his 2nd inning of work as part of a rehab assignment, as a changeup is a called strike. The 1-1. Breaking ball down low, 2-1. Several fans in costume today, all enjoying a baseball game, as a hard hit ground ball is a diving stop by Matthew Ferrara. Pops up, throws to first, and it's in time. Gurevich thought that maybe Calderon was off the base, but it's a really nice play by Matthew Ferrara to rob Gurevich of a base hit for out number 1. Gurevich with some words over there towards field umpire Josue Rosario. And after 1 batter, Quen Hui Pan is going to give the baseball to manager Aaron Barrett, and it looks like we're going to have a pitching change here, courtesy of Clearwater. 6-1, Frozen Iguanas trail the Clearwater Threshers. Jonathan Mejia will come up to the plate, facing a new arm, which we will tell you about.